here they are. Oh, exciting! They're nicely packaged up. And they're going to be quite little, but they're going to be quite cute, I think. Here they are! Oh, wow! Oh, wow! So I've zoomed in. You can see they're quite little, but they're so cute. So that's the fly agaric, which I love. And this one is the oak leaf. So this is the watercolour original that the oak pin is based on. Very nice. This is the original that the fly agaric pin is based on. And I am absolutely delighted with both of them. And so here it is on a black background, the fly agaric. And it's just how you put the pin on. This is on a lapel of my jacket. And there we go. Perfect. So yes, I'm very, very pleased. So what a lovely thing to be able to do with your artwork. To make it something that you can wear. GSJJ, who gave me these, did these for free. In return for me making this film. I'm actually really, really pleased. They're so sweet. I think they're great.